All right, some of the most important pieces with driver. First thing is going to be tee height. When we tee the ball up, we want to be about halfway above the face. So if I put my finger down behind the golf ball, it should be about at the midway point. We also want to have the ball lined up with our left shoulder. This is going to make sure that the ball is far enough forward. One of the biggest problems we see is the ball's not getting in the air enough, which means we need a little bit more speed with the club. A good way to test this out is to grab the club from here, take swings and try and make a swish. You can see when I do this, all of it's coming from the wrists. My hands and my wrists are going to be the biggest speed producer in the golf swing. I don't do a ton of work with my body. I don't try and turn too much. That's actually going to slow the club down and keep the face open. To start, when we're warming up, we want to get a tee in the ground and take a couple swings. I want to try and make contact with the top of that tee. If I make contact with the top of the tee and get the tee out of the ground, the golf ball is going to get up in the air. Great drill to use for the driver is to start with small swings. As I start to get the swing bigger, we start to increase speed a little bit. We always want to start small and feel the sequence of this club. See how the club wants to work. I keep a continuous motion this entire time. As I start to gain some speed, that's when I start to get into the golf ball. I'm going to start with a nice light swing, try and make contact with the tee, and I'm going to pretend like the golf ball's not there. My only objective is to hit the tee. Anytime that tee's gone, that ball's going to get up in the air.